Hello everyone! For today's video, I will be sharing with you on how do I prepare or how did I prepare for this rainy season during this year. So, I am here in my veranda area again. So, rainy season is already here in the Philippines. My specific location here in the Philippines is in Silang, Cavite. So, right now it's been raining day and night. So, I barely see the sun right now during the month of June. So I need to prepare something with my succulents before the rainy season comes. So how do I prepare my succulents for rainy season? So my veranda area is a rain or shine area where there is no net, no UV plastic. So they are totally exposed to full sun when it's summer and to full rain when it's rainy season. So how do I prepare them for rainy season? Is I just simply repot them before rainy season comes. So I started repotting my succulents as early as January until May, month of May. So I repotted them to make sure that their roots are good or are ready or the roots are healthy, even the stems for the rainy season. So I do not put my succulents here in the veranda area if they don't have stable roots because when rainy season comes and you put them in a rain or shine area, there's a big chance that they will not be able to survive here because they will be wet or the soil mix will be soaking wet in the rain during the rainy days. So when it's rainy days here in my area in Silang, Cavite, every day it's been raining. So you would not have a dry soil mix here in my area. So it's barely, you barely see the sun shining up. So it's really raining every day. If it's not morning, it would be raining during nighttime or early in the morning. So what I do is that I prepare them is that I repotted them in the month of January until May. So fortunately, I was able to finish repotting all of them. And I was able to check the root and stem if they are well rooted and if the stems are good enough or healthy enough to stand the rainy season. So do not expose or I do not expose my succulents in a rain or shade area, specifically here in the veranda area, if they don't have ample roots or they are not well rooted because they will just die here and they will not be able to stand the rainy season. The other thing that I do to prepare them for the rainy season is that I need to clean up them. So how do I clean up them? It's by removing the weeds on the pot. The next one is that I need to remove the dried leaves that would invite because dried leaves, if they stay here in the pot or on the stems of the succulent, they will eventually invite pests. So that's why I'm not going, if we are not going to remove the dried leaves, it will eventually have mealybugs and it will also be the start of having fungus. So the common problems that I have here in my veranda area during rainy season is that the succulent is drinking lots of water. So most of the times I would be seeing lots of mushy leaves or black leaves. Some would be having black spots, which are sign of fungus. So the other one is that they will they are susceptible to mealybugs. So that's why we have to prepare our succulents before the rainy season. So it's not easy to make your succulents alive and healthy during rainy season. If I would choose from rainy season or summertime, I would choose summer because summer they are more safe to pest and overwatering because we all know that succulent doesn't like to live in a wet soil. So rainy season, every day they have to stay in a wet soil because the sun barely shows up. So we have to make sure that when we repot our succulents before the rainy season, we should have potted the succulents in a well-draining soil. So as we all know, or for those who do not know, my potting mix is composed of 50% loam soil and 50% pumice stone, which is for me in my area here in Silang, Cavite, is that would be considered drainable for me, the 50% loam soil and 50% pumice stone. So the pumice stone is mungo in size. But of course, the soil mix will depend on the location where you are. So we have different location. So we have different climate or weather. So it depends on your location. In order for you to get the right potting mix, you have to do experiments. So it took me 2 years to stay or to stick with that soil mix, which is composed of 50% loam soil and 50% pumice stone. So that really works for me. As you can see, my succulents here are growing so well and they can stand the rainy season for years already. I have been collecting the succulents for starting pandemic year 2020 and right now they are still alive. So I'm maintaining my succulent garden. I seldom buy succulents this year already because my garden here in Veranda area is already full. I also have some succulents in the garage area, which are the delicates one, and a few variegated succulents too there, which is very hard to take care. So for the succulents here in the veranda area, they are already, most of them, not all, are already stable enough to withstand the summer and even the rainy days. So that's basically how do I prepare my succulents for rainy season. So let's have a recap. I simply repot them and make sure that their potting mix is well draining. So my potting mix is composed of 50% loam soil and 50% pumice stone. The next one is that I clean up the pots by removing weeds because weeds grow more faster than the succulents, which will get more nutrients than the succulent. So the third one is that I need to remove the dried leaves so the pest, mealybugs, and fungus would not be invited by those decaying leaves. So that's basically how did I prepare my succulents for rainy days. And of course, when you do repot them in a drainable soil, you would see if the roots are enough and the stems are healthy in order to survive the rainy days. So that's basically how do I prepare my succulents before rainy days. So I hope you do the preparation also for your succulents before the rainy days come. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. And also please do visit my main channel, the Sea Succulent and Cacti Lover. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, and like to my both channel. And happy gardening, everyone. I hope all our succulents and cacti will survive this coming this rainy days because it's already rainy days. So bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye bye. Happy gardening, everyone. Let's enjoy life. Let's enjoy gardening. And have a nice day, everyone. God bless us all.